Welcome to the Buckingham Floor Plan. This beautiful home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open-concept kitchen with a large center island, a walk-in pantry, and a cozy dining room, and a generous great room with an optional corner fireplace, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor covered patio. The owner's suite of the Buckingham includes a private bathroom retreat with a large step-in shower, a dual-sink vanity, and a huge walk-in closet. The optional lower level of the Buckingham features an additional bedroom and bathroom, as well as a large recreation room with an optional wet bar. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room, a convenient mudroom with its own closet, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car or optional 3-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Minnesota to offer everything's included homes, the Buckingham also includes all of the green features, stainless steel appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier Minnesota neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.